You're going to love our newest SMS verification update that is now available within forms and surveys. This feature update is going to add an extra layer of security by requiring users to verify their phone numbers when submitting forms and surveys. This is really going to enhance security. Now you're going to be able to protect your business by ensuring that information collected is from verified sources. This is also going to increase your credibility because this new update is going to help you build trust with your clients by showing them that you value a secure and reliable data option. It's also going to reduce spam. This is going to minimize the number of fake or fraudulent submissions, which is going to save you time and valuable resources. When a potential client fills out a form or even a survey on your website to request more information, the SMS verification feature is going to ensure that their phone number is valid. This is going to allow you to follow up with confidence. Let me show you exactly where to locate this feature. This is a feature that's going to be under sites, and then we're going to be under forms. Now, you could also do this under surveys, but for this example, we're going to utilize forms. And you're either going to create a new form or you're going to edit an existing one. Now, you're going to have the validate phone number button show up. So this is under the phone element, and then it is called validate phone. You want to go ahead and toggle this on so that you are making sure that you are collecting that secure data. Now let's go ahead and access the preview of this form live. Now you'll see that the phone number actually has the verify now button. Now you can enter the OTP here. This is actually where your user or the person filling out the form will go ahead and confirm that phone number. Once it's successfully verified, this is what it's going to look like. The SMS verification feature within the CRM is going to enhance your data security, reducing spam and ensuring a reliable client interaction. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.